In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to execute a sale on Squarespace in a matter of minutes. Squarespace, as many of you know, is a fantastic platform that allows individuals and businesses alike to create beautiful, interactive websites with ease. However, when it comes time to promote your products or services through a sale, the process may seem a bit daunting at first. Luckily, I'm here to guide you through every step of the way, ensuring your sale goes off without a hitch. First and foremost, navigate to the Squarespace homepage. This is where your journey begins. You'll see a variety of options, but your focus should be on the login section. Clicking there is your first step towards setting up your sale. Now, depending on how you've set up your Squarespace account, you might have multiple options for logging in. For the sake of simplicity, we'll proceed with Continue with Google. This option allows for a seamless login experience using your Google account, streamlining the process. After selecting Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose the account you wish to use. Click on the appropriate account, likely the one you initially used to set up your Squarespace website. Upon selecting your account, you'll then be directed to a dashboard where you can see your website or websites if you have more than one. Click on the website that you intend to hold the sale on. Find your way to the Pages section next. This can typically be accessed from the menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Once there, you might notice a variety of pages that you've already created, but our goal here is to add a new one, specifically a sale page. Look for a small plus icon, usually located near the top or beside your list of existing pages. Clicking this icon will open a new dialog or menu, where you can select the type of page you'd like to add. For a sale page, choosing a blank page is often the best route. It gives you a fresh canvas to design your sale exactly how you'd like. Once you've selected blank page, you'll be brought to an interface where you can start adding items that you want to put on sale. Depending on what you're selling, this might include product descriptions, photos, prices, and any discounts. Take your time here to ensure that everything looks appealing and is correctly priced. Your next step is to add elements that notify visitors of your items on sale. This could include banners, pop-ups, or highlighted text. Anything that draws attention to the fact that you're running a sale. Squarespace offers a range of customizable elements that can help make your sale stand out. Feel free to experiment with different designs to see what works best for your page and your products. Once you're satisfied with how your sale page looks, don't forget to click Save. It's a simple step, but crucial. Without saving, all the hard work and creativity you've just poured into setting up your sale page would be for naught. Lastly, adding text to your sale page that details the sale itself is essential. This might include information on how long the sale will last, the percentage off, or even a promo code if you have one. The text element in Squarespace is incredibly versatile, allowing you to customize font size, color, and placement to ensure the message is clear and engaging. By following the outlined steps, you're not just creating a sale, you're crafting an experience for your customers. Remember, the aim is not just to sell products, but to build relationships with your customers through effective communication and enticing offers. Before launching your sale, take a moment to preview your page, ensuring everything is as perfect as you envision. When satisfied, make your sale page live, and watch as your efforts translate into sales. In conclusion, creating a sale on Squarespace is a straightforward process that can significantly impact your business. By taking advantage of the tools and elements Squarespace offers, you're equipped to design a sale that not only looks professional, but is also effective in attracting and retaining customers. Remember, the success of your sale doesn't just rely on the discounts you offer, but also on how well you present them. Happy selling!